Namaste. My name is Anmol. I'm from Rajasthan. At Agastya, I'll be interning for the next 2 months, working on the social return on investment framework. We are here from Harvard Kennedy School, and the last 2 days have been incredible at the campus. The vast expanse of the campus, the amount of flora that we have here, I think that stands out. It has been very nice to see the creativity and the independence students and teachers are given. The labs, especially the maths lab, I think it's state of the art. The way the instructors teach, the methodology of their teaching, all of it is incredible. It is great to not just be here, but to also know that this kind of education is being imparted at this part of India. And I'm very proud of that fact, and I'm super excited to be here, come here again when the kids are here again, and experience this campus all over again. It's been an incredible, wonderful 2 days here. Thank you.